Hi, I'm Kristen Griffith-VanderYacht from the Big Flower Fight.
Our resident judge, Kristen Griffith-VanderYacht.
Time is running out.
This is crazy. It's going to be a very difficult decision.
And today I'm going to talk to you about repotting. I'm going to tell you when to repot your houseplant, why you should repot your houseplant, and most importantly, how to repot your houseplant.
Well, we're waiting.
If you're wondering whether or not you should repot your houseplants, think about how long you've had it. Typically, we want to repot every 2 to 3 years. Here are a few signs to look for that'll help you make that decision. 1, are the roots coming out all over the place? On this Ficus Elastica, might be hard to see, but there's like a root hanging out the bottom here. There's roots coming out the here. She's ready. 2, is your plant tippy? Is it really tall and you have to stake it to keep it upright? Is it falling over a lot?
This is so bad. Oh God!
That could be a sign that you need to repot. 3, is your plant drinking an absurd amount of water? That tends to be a sign that it's not getting enough nutrients from the soil anymore because the soil has been depleted. Why should you consider repotting? Well, plants are living organisms, and like any living thing, it's going to continue to grow. So if you want to keep your plant healthy and happy, consider giving it a little bit more space so it can stretch out its legs and its roots and its fingers.
Feed me all night long.
Now I'm going to show you how to repot. Today we're going to be working with our Ficus Elastica, which is a variegated version of a rubber plant. And we're going to be taking it out of its grower's pot and putting it into this new pot. You want to go about 2 inches bigger than your original pot. So we're going from an 8-inch to a 10-inch. You're also going to need some gloves if you don't want to get your hands dirty, and a hand broom so you can clean up this mess by the time you're done. And lastly, you're going to need some potting soil. Yes, potting soil is typically a mixture of peat moss, soil, and perlite. How to repot your plant. First thing you're going to want to do is put a nice layer of dirt in your new pot. If your pot does not have a drain hole, I would consider putting rocks in the bottom of your pot to help with the drainage. The last thing you want to do is overwater your plant and then cause root rot. And then we want to remove our old plant. Well, she's not old. Well, she is kind of old. She's very mature for her age. I like to just give this plant a gentle squeeze around its base. You could even like lay it down like this. It's gonna be messy. It's kind of like trying to get Play-Doh out of the jar, but like way less colorful. Oh yeah, oh here we go. I like to loosen some of the dirt to get the roots exposed. Oh yeah, she was ready. I think that's a good place. It's nice and loose, but not like totally exposed.
I can see right through you!
Oh sure. Is this straight? Hey girl, yeah, you kind of crooked. Come on, Neil. We just need a little bit more dirt on this side to prop it up. I'm just gonna clean up this pot and
Clean up this mess.
and then we'll be good to go. Okay, we have filled up our plant with new soil. Our ficus feels securely in place. I like to leave a little bit of room at the top in case, later I want to add decorative rock or moss. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget, you can catch me right now on the Big Flower Fight on Netflix. All right, bye. Hi, Marshall. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. You're gonna lick all of Daddy's makeup off.